Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We talk about BIM here, and if you've seen our Revit tutorials, you know how powerful 3D modeling can be. But did you know that BIM actually goes way beyond 3D geometry? Today, we're breaking down 4D and 5D BIM, what they are, how they work, and why they're changing the way the industry manages projects. If you're ready, let's get started. So let's start simple. 3D BIM is meant for geometry. It works on walls, slabs, windows, everything you see in the model. 4D BIM is 3D BIM plus time. It connects your model with construction schedules, when they're going to be up, and the timeline. 5D BIM is 3D plus time and cost, so you can track expense in real time. Together, they give teams a more dynamic and data-driven way to plan, visualize, and deliver projects. First, let's look at 4D BIM. Here's what it does. Scheduling integration. It connects project schedules from tools like Primavera or MS Projects to your 3D model. Next, we have sequencing visualization. It creates animations showing how construction unfolds step by step. Then we have progress tracking, which lets you compare the planned schedule against what's happening on site. Now, there's a couple of tools you can try for 4D BIM, but here are some up-to-date tools in 2025. We have Synchro for 4D simulations. Then we have Autodesk's Navisworks Timeliner for integrating tasks with models. Then we have cloud-based platforms like Autodesk Construction Cloud that makes updates accessible to the whole team and even in the field. Now let's move on to 5D BIM that adds costs into the equation. That means automated quantity takeoffs. Models calculate materials and quantities instantly. Cost integration is included as well, so think materials, labor, and equipment costs are linked to every model element. Then we have dynamic budgets. Any design change updates your cost data immediately and in real time. The popular tools used for 5D BIM is BEXEL Manager, CostX, and Candy. Integrations with Revit and Navisworks are also common for quantity and cost workflows. All right, quick pause for the architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction docs, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. We've been doing this for 18 years. Our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects who are experienced in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com if you're curious. All right, back to the video. So why does 4D and 5D matter? Because 4D and 5D BIM helps you do the following. Spot risks and delays before they become costly, improve communication with stakeholders through visualizations and reports, make better design decisions backed by real-time costs and scheduled data, and optimize site logistics, material deliveries, and workforce allocation. In other words, it's not just about making a prettier model, it's about making smarter projects. Now, it's not always a plug and play. There are also some challenges. For starters, we have data quality. If your 3D model isn't detailed enough, 4D and 5D won't be as reliable. And then there's software interoperability. Not every platform talks to each other smoothly. And of course, skill gap. Not every team is trained on these workflows. We are though, so if you're interested, you can just check the website. The solutions we see working though is to start small with pilot projects, set up proper BIM standards early, and invest in training so your teams are confident using these tools. It's clear that this could be the standard in the future, not just an add-on. So that's it. That's the breakdown of 4D and 5D BIM. Two dimensions that are transforming how we plan and deliver projects. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit a like and subscribe. If you're looking into strengthening your BIM skills, especially in Revit, check out our other tutorials here on the channel. We've got a whole playlist that'll help you get hands-on with these workflows. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you on the next one.